When we work, we work. But when we pray, God works. There is nothing wrong with working hard. In fact, work is necessary. Work builds, work develops, work produces results. But hear this clear, work has limits. There comes a point where your strength runs out. There comes a point where your wisdom reaches its age. There comes a point where effort alone is no longer enough. There are doors your hands cannot open. There are opportunities your qualification cannot unlock. There are battles your intelligence cannot win. And this is where many people get frustrated, because they are working without engaging heaven, without engaging God. Listen, prayer is not a weakness, but prayer is not also a last option. Prayer is power, because the moment you shift from just working to praying, you move from human ability into divine intervention. When you pray, heavens moves. When you pray, God steps into your situation. When you pray, what looks impossible begins to rearrange itself. Things you couldn't fix start aligning. Doors that were closed begin to open. Paths that were blocked become clear. Not because you worked harder, but because God got involved. Some battles in your life are not physical, they are spiritual. That means they cannot be solved by effort alone. They require prayer. That situation you are stressing about have to be prayed about. That decision you are struggling with, have you taken it to God? Because many people talk to people before they talk to God. They seek advices before they seek His voice. They panic before they pray. But the principle is simple and powerful. Take it to God before you take it to people. Don't misunderstand this. Work, yes. Be diligent, yes. Be committed, yes. But don't rely only on your hands. Engage heaven. Pray first before the meeting. Pray always through every season. Pray boldly without fear and without doubt. Because when you combine your work with prayer, you step into a dimension where God begins to do what you cannot do. And when God works, no one can stop it. No one can block it. No one can reverse it. So today, don't just work. Work is good, but pray. God bless you.